Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at the Coachmen Catalina SBX 291 BHS model. It's a great bunkhouse unit for a young family. We sell a lot of these Catalinas because they're super popular. People love them. There's a lot of bang for your buck. I'm going to do a quick run through and just show you kind of some of the basics. Extra size propane tanks. You got your protection diamond plate up here. We've got a beautiful little pass through here for lots of storage. Nice big power awning. It does have an outdoor barbecue as well, which is really nice. You have to come check it out. Come see me and look at it. Now, I'm going to go inside. Come on in. This has a big slide on it on this end. Gives you a ton of extra room, makes this feel really open. Awesome kitchen, lots of counter space. 3-burner cooktop, nice oven, beautiful fridge and freezer. Right here, storage up above for your bread and stuff. You've got a nice bathroom, tub bath with a medicine cabinet, big medicine cabinet. And a shower and a toilet. Can't beat it. Nice skylight in there so for the tall guys. And then this is what's really cool about this unit. Back here for the kiddos, you've got three little bunks. This is a bunk here and it folds down, but when it's not down, the kids got their own little play area. That's really cool. So if you've got some teenagers or kind of a little bit older kids, they kind of like to have their own space. This is great for that. They can come back here and play games, eat, and the nice thing, there's a panel over here to access from the outside. So if you want to load this up with some gear, you got a lot of gear, you can take that table out, access it from that side and fill this all up with gear. It's really nice. People really like that. Now let's go back and take a peek at the bedroom. So back in here to the bedroom. Nice queen size bed. You got storage on both sides, nice little closet. Lots of storage up above here. You can fit all your towels and blankets, sleeping bags, whatever. Of course, storage under the bed as well, which is always nice. Now folks, if you like this trailer or any other trailer here that you see at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call. 951-443-8323. Thanks.